Hi, my name's Kyra and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you my Terra Moon collection. I'll be doing swatches and I will put one just on my lids here over top of what I already have so you can see how it looks on the eyes. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. This is my first palette with my Terra Moon shadows. I'll swatch them on my arm now. So my arms are a bit stained from the Natasha Denona Circo Loco palette. Just ignore that. So the first shade we have is Sharon. Oops. The first shade we have is Sharon. The next shade is Europa. Then we have Snow Globe. Then we have Meteorite. So that's the first row of my shadows. Onto the second row. The first shade we have is Moon Lily. Next shade we have is The Kiss of a Mermaid. Next shade is Terra Borealis. Don't know how to say that one. The last shade on that row is Half Moon. Onto the last row, we have Dark Matter. Purple Clouds. Comet. And the last shade from that palette is Moon Kissed. So that's all the shades from my first palette. This is my second palette. It only has 5 shades. I have wiped off the swatches, but there is still some like glitter and stain in there. So the first shade from this palette is Wicked Rose. The next shade is Ruby Stars. Third shade is Hydra. Fourth shade is Hot Spice Cider. And then the most colourful shade and the last shade I have is Tipsy Mermaid. Look how bright that is. Here they are up close. So I've scooted a bit closer so you can see properly. As you can see, I've already done most of my makeup, so I just want to pop like a shadow on top to give it a bit more sparkle. I do have a video coming on this look on Friday, so stick around if that is something you want to see. So I'm gonna put the shade Half Moon just on my lids and give it a bit more sparkle. Look at that. Yeah, just using my finger. Yeah, I love that shade. As you can see, that has just given it like just a bit of more like glam sparkle. Yeah, I love that. Right, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked that little demo that I did on my eyes using the shade Half Moon, and I hope you liked the rest of the swatches. They are such beautiful shadows. And if you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!